Welcome to my channel. Is your Wi-Fi signal weak in some rooms? The Linksys Velop whole home mesh Wi-Fi system is designed to eliminate dead zones and provide fast, reliable internet throughout your home. In this video, I'll show you 6 simple steps to set up your Linksys Velop mesh system, even if you've never installed a router before. Let's get started. Step 1. Unbox and prepare. Take all the Linksys Velop nodes out of the box. You'll also need the power adapters, an Ethernet cable, and your modem. Place the primary Velop node close to your modem so you can connect it easily during the setup process. Step 2. Connect the main node. Use the Ethernet cable to connect your modem to the internet port on the main Velop node. Plug the node into a power outlet and wait until the LED starts blinking purple, which means it's ready for setup. Step 3. Install the Linksys app. Download the Linksys app on your Android or iPhone. Open the app, create or sign into your Linksys account, and choose the option to set up a new Velop Wi-Fi system by following the on-screen instructions. Step 4. Create your Wi-Fi network. The app will detect your Velop node automatically. Choose your Wi-Fi network name and create a strong password. Confirm the settings, and allow the system a few moments to complete the initial configuration. Step 5. Add additional Velop nodes. Place the second and third Velop nodes in different areas of your home where Wi-Fi coverage needs improvement. Power them on, and use the Linksys app to add each node. Wait until every node shows a solid blue light. Step 6. Test your mesh network. Walk around your home with your phone or laptop and check the Wi-Fi signal in every room. If needed, move a node slightly closer to another node for better communication and stronger overall performance. That's it. Your Linksys Velop whole home mesh Wi-Fi system is now ready to deliver fast and stable Wi-Fi across your home. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more easy Wi-Fi setup guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. For instant help, call 1-800-915-5645.